Howdy howdy, Green Queen here. Today we have our 8th Hello Kitty Mashums mashup, and we're going to try to add a new one to our set. We'll have to see if we have any luck. And we do indeed. We have got a Keroppi wearing a Batsumaru outfit. This one I do believe finishes off the entire set for us. So I'll feature those in a little video coming up to just show them all. And as always, please consider liking, subscribing, following, commenting, and or sharing. It all helps greatly and is greatly appreciated.